Once, a man named Raghu lived in a village. He had three sons who always fought with each other. Raghu felt very worried. He wanted to teach them to live in harmony. One day, he called his sons. He gave each son one stick. Break the stick, he told them. Each son easily broke his stick. Then, Raghu gave them a bundle of sticks. Now, break this bundle, he said. The sons tried a lot, but couldn't break it. Raghu smiled and said, "Did you see these sticks? When you are together, you are strong, but alone, you can be broken easily. United we stand, divided we fall, together, we are strong and can achieve anything, but alone, we are weak and vulnerable." The sons understood their father's lesson. From that day, they stopped fighting, they stayed united and lived happily.
We hope you liked the story. We'll be back with more exciting tales from the Creative Crow. Thank you for listening.